Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Mount-It Mobile Standing Laptop Desk, a versatile and ergonomic solution for your workspace needs. This innovative desk is designed to transition seamlessly from sitting to standing. With a spacious 27.5-inch gas spring lift mechanism, it comfortably allowing you to customize your work experience from 20 the desk has 4 premium casters, making it perfect for both office with locking and home capabilities. Ensure smooth mobility across any floor type, whether hardwood or carpeted, providing stability with its wide steel base to minimize wobble. Not only is it portable and versatile, but it also doubles as an overbed table tray, making it ideal for medical and educational purposes. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary hardware and instructions included, so you can set up your new mobile workstation in no time. Experience the convenience and flexibility of the Mount-It Mobile Standing Laptop Desk and transform the way you work today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product,